Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about the applications of biotechnology. Biotechnology means that technology making use of biological species. So the biotechnology has played an important role in the areas of treatment of wastewater, treatment of hazardous waste, and also the purification of water, controlling the pollution by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen to the air. And also it has also made remarkable applications in the areas of agriculture and energy resources. And here we are going to describe some of the applications of biotechnology, minimizing the environmental pollution or degradation, and treatment of wastewater, treatment of hazardous waste, and the areas of agriculture and energy resources. And let's see one by one. First, the case of treatment of waste. Microbes have the capability to synthesize the biologically active agents like biopolymers and enzymes to increase the degradation of the hazardous waste. And these microbes respond differently to the different environmental pollutants. So they adapt themselves in order to respond to the waste present in the environment. How does this same species of microbes respond differently to the different pollutants present in the environment? And this question led to the concept of presence of certain determinants present in the microbes. And these determinants are responsible for the difference in their response to the different environmental pollutants in the atmosphere or present in the environment. Each organism has a set of genes present in them, or this set of genes made possible them to respond differently to the different pollutants present in the environment. And here these genes are located in the chromosomal DNA present in the nucleus, which are linear characteristics, or they are present in the plasmids, which are self-replicating round structured DNA. It is now clearly observed that this majority of this degradation process is taking place in the plasmids, or the determinants present in plasmids are responsible for the degradation, and therefore the most of the degradation process is taking place through the plasmids. And some of the applications of biotechnology are by producing valuable fuel gas, biogas, etc. And they are also is applied in the case of producing new species of microbes which are capable of degrading this such kind of waste present in the environment. Then biodegradable plastics are made which can be degraded by the microbes or microorganisms, and this is done with the help of biotechnology. Development of biological gas treatment systems also made possible with the help of biotechnology. These are some of the applications of biotechnology. And the next is genetic engineering. What do you mean by genetic engineering? The science of changing the pattern of development and behavior of an organism by changing the genes is called genetic engineering, and this is mainly applied in the field of agriculture, where the genes of crops are modified in order to give more yield and in order to make disease resistant. Then those food are produced by such kind of crops, that means genetically modified crops are called GM food, and again such variations are made in the crops by changing the pattern of development and behavior of that crop by changing the genes. And we already know that genes are responsible for the inheritance of the characteristics in an organism, and when this pattern of these genes are changed in a particular organism, then the traits of that organism will be altered, then the characteristics of the organism will be altered. That means they can be more yielding variety of crops can be produced, and those organisms or those crops may be more disease resistant, so that they can be give more yield, much more yield than the original one. Some of the applications of genetic engineering, as we already discussed, that is in order to produce more yield, and also in order to another application of genetic engineering is to diagnose the disease of the crops, and these are some two applications of genetic engineering. And third is treatment of wastewater, and the treatment of wastewater includes basically 3 steps, and one primary treatment, secondary treatment, and tertiary treatment. Here the primary treatment mainly includes the removal of the suspended particles or suspended solids present in the wastewater, and then this is generally carried out by the filtration process, condensation process, and etc. And the third step is tertiary treatment, is also called that advanced treatment of water, and in this step mainly the fine purification of water is taking place. The third step is also called advanced treatment, and this advanced treatment mainly take place the refining of the wastewater, that is the water after treating the first primary and secondary. Then if the water consists any kind of impurities, that will be refined. One method of treatment of wastewater is called trickling filter process. The word filter is inappropriate in this case. Why? Because there is no filtration process taking place as such. This is actually an oxidation unit where the waste are diffused into the water and then oxidized. When it is passed through a medium of microbial slime, this medium consists of crushed stones, plastics, and slags. A conventional trickling process unit basically consists of a rock bed, mainly 1 to 3 meter depth. Incoming wastewater is sprinkled over a biological film or biological slime in which the microbes are present, and below this film of microbial slime, then a rock bed is present. As the water trickling, then the organic matter diffuses in the water by the action of microbes, and oxygen is converted into carbon dioxide and the nitrogen. When the slimes thickens and they settle down in the tank, and the effluents can be taken out through the another opening. milk processing, paper mills, pharmaceutical waste are generally treated with trickling filter process. And this is all about the applications of biotechnology. And thank you.